Oh God.
My one and only Shatta.
How are you?
Am
How are
I
you?
dreaming?
They bring you to my house. You come to my house very soon. We'll eat some dinner.
Where
Okay?
are you? I've not seen you since I come.
As I said earlier, I'm reacting on this Shatta Wale invite of Peller, the Nigerian streamer. And on social media, if it may be oh ni Shatta Wale career boni, why is he trying to bring a small boy?
Shatta Wale, I
Yeah,
said Jesus. Me.
everybody fast. Too many fast for Ghana. Man. He will love, you know.
I love it.
Me too, I love it, man. I love seeing you come Ghana. I love seeing you come Ghana.
This one,
You like him?
how much it is?
To Ghana, he's calling the boy his brother. You see, Ghanaians, it's high time we'll always look at the bright side of everything that happens. Let's stop this negative, always talking about bad things. Let's ask ourselves, anything about happening, what is the benefit? 2, what advantage is there? 3, how can it benefit anybody involved? These are the things sometimes we need to look at. Earlier on, I made a post on it. Okay, Shatta Wale is being smart for inviting Peller to Ghana. What smartness or a whole lot of things. Let's call the speed a speed. Sometimes people do things and you might not know why I may feel like Mofia mo te shine ba fe no ko. Ni minle Shatta Wale te shine ba fe no ko. Enough no feel there's an agenda, there's a brain behind it. In nanoko, it will feel no ko. Akeke oshulafo ke ba trabote. Then in nanimanoko no, you get the thing. So
officially, we are here to welcome Peller from Nigeria. We all know we want to build a good relationship between Ghana and Nigeria, and it will take people, influencers like Peller, Shatta Wale to make some of these.
Let's ask ourselves, why is he doing this? These are the questions that we need to ask, and not to jump into conclusion and insult and say negative things. What be like, why is he doing that? Many of Shatta and chess small boy in this country, brother. So until we start asking these questions, we'll get answers to what is happening. From it. Now, Meta Masha no feel on a come on, Shatta Wale is a very smart guy. That guy called Shatta is a very smart guy. Let's forget about his noise making or like the other side. We are all humans. No one is perfect. But let's always look at the positive side of people. Shatta is a very smart guy. Ask yourself, like a mini or Shatta will invite this young Ghanaian. The guy himself, Niji Peller, has over check it, but I think over 100, almost 100 and something million subscribers or followers at TikTok. Eda, come on, Tiwa Savage, invite like big star, Davido, like big people invite. Then it means like people want to tap into it. It's a hang go, hang come something. Many only boy ever share. Airport, Shatta Wale chun lolly na ka wule, lolly ne chun na ka wule. The car is branded as what? Shaxi. The car is branded as Shaxi. And then this Shaxi that we all know like a Shaxi belongs to Shatta Wale, a version of this app driver business into this online that is Tumawale, Mamache as boats and Uber and those kind of things. He's also doing some, which belongs to a Ghanaian, Shatta Wale. And sometimes I get sad because a Ghanaian has started something. Let's put all differences aside. We need to support and then join, because if our own can't support, who is going to support? I don't think you expect Tanzania, no, Kenya, no, South Africa, never be never face shaxi. Both Uber no or fear dane. Wherever that is coming from now, I started. I'm a man join. They supported, they purchased it, they joined it. A lot of people are also joining and making money out of it. The same thing as Ghanaians saying, we need to also throw our support to Shatta Wale's brand, the Shaxi. Forget about everything. He's also a human, he's a Ghanaian. At the end of the day, Kewafia was supported. He's bringing money into people's pockets. Families will be supported. A lot of graduates who are not employed will join. Ghanaians may download the app and start what? Fine, Shishiji to be difficult, but as time goes on, I think things will be all right. He sent his car branded with Shaxi to airport to pick Peller. Now, let's not forget that there will be a lot of cameras there. There will be bloggers, there will be YouTubers. The guy himself will video. So at the end of the day, the brand Shaxi will be captured. people who are business minded, I may call maybe your internet now will ask like, what is this Shaxi? Now people will start what? Making research on what is Shaxi, and then they will know, okay, there's a company like this that belongs to Shatta Wale. Supporters by near Bami, investors by near Bami, a whole lot of things, which Ebanye advantage towards to him, Shatta Wale. Now let's move on to another point that I want to talk about. One, it's a cross-country collaboration. Let's not forget about it. So far as it's between two different people, a Ghanaian and a Nigerian. Let's forget about the age. Let's forget about who they are. But it's a Ghanaian and Nigerian. And there's a cross-country collaboration. It strengthens culture ties between Ghana and Nigeria, promoting unity and collaboration within the African entertainment scene. This is one of the advantages I see. Okay, Shatta Wale inviting this Peller guy to come to Ghana. And we all know. Okay, let me know in the comment section. Now, let me go to the next point that I've put pen down. It will also increase exposure. We all know, like as a youth, allo mofia moko start no career, allo craft, allo you are in the creative industry, no lenoko femo. All you need is exposure. Because if people don't see you, you are working in darkness. Etomon todi ni ndamodumi. Namo banabo. Ona todi ni ndamodumi. Mogwe na abo. The only thing people will see is Keji Toengo, white, which will be scary. It is creating exposure for Shatta Wale, both Shatta Wale and Peller. Because if I ever like a lot of Shatta Wale fans don't know about Peller. It could also happen that there are a lot of people in Ghana that doesn't know about the streamer Peller. You get it? And it will expose him, and he will get more followers. People will go and find out what he does. When we come to Shatta Wale, and then Bahal exposure, one, in Nigeria especially, people will get to know about more of Shatta Wale and also his brand Shaxi, Bonmish. Aside that, more like a Nigeria, that Nigeria is over 200 and something million. It's a big country, big population, and they will get to know that he is a musician. They will get to know the people he has collaborated with. And recently, Shramone now with Vibe Cartel, people also get to know that, hey, this guy is big, go line, blah, blah. It will also take him to a different level in his career. Let me move on to the third one. Collaboration between musicians and streamers often generates viral content, increasing visibility for both parties. Hype, content creation. Aside that thing, one thing that you people also are forgetting is that there are a lot of bloggers here in Ghana. Some will go there and video, put it on their page. They will get followers, they will get paid, they will get more views for their advantage. Other bloggers that are sitting down will also pick the video and react on it. For example, Mileke Bonake Munfi on YouTube. I'm also a YouTuber, and because of what is going on, if not for that, I wouldn't have been doing this video. And by the grace of God, if I'm able to do this video and put it on YouTube and more people watch, I can get monetized. And Manako is feel it will affect my family. No koninta my mama dress fine, mama will shoe fine. Ona mama feel no fine in family. I can also start doing some donations and other stuff for people just because of one video. I tell you, one video alone can change one person's life. So you see, this is the ripple effect of what is going on. But people are just talking anyhow, and people are just sometimes it hurts me. Okay, Ghanaians, we don't do research. We don't look at the brighter side of things. I know what I'm saying. People will come here and bash me and then crucify me on that. But that is the truth. We hate the truth and we don't like the truth. You know, let's stop this hating whatever that is going on. Let's look always at the bright future. I'm always for positive, and I'm always for positive things that will impact, things that are more educative. Negative, forget me. I don't like trends. Me make a trend here. I don't like trend. Can in here impact one person? I'm good to go. You know. So let me move to the next point. The next point there is youth engagement. Peller's influence among young audience can also help Shatta Wale connect more with the disease and online communities. The guy is very young. It's in his early 20s. 21 to 22 or so. Young. A followers, majority of them are young people. They will get Shatta Wale connect. Those people will get to know more about Shatta Wale. Or when Shatta Wale will still continue to reign and still be on top, and people will be saying all sorts of things. But you see what he's doing. Now let me quickly move to the next one. Networking and opportunities. Come on. Network is one of the things that are very important in everybody's life. You know, I got to know this because of Inuchumo. I'm a photographer, I'm a filmmaker, I'm a drone pilot, you know, I'm a content creator, I'm a YouTuber. and I got to know Ake. There is a saying, Ake, your network is your net worth. Men only on the rightful people you know it on Ojalawale. On a Bemen Wuji, and low Bemen Pana, no lay, it on Ojalawale. Because I'm working or I know big people, like I move with the big gurus. God, I mean, like, hey, Chalo buy no more Charlie. So your network is your what? Your net worth. Networking and opportunities. This can open doors for future partnership, endorsement, or joint event between Ghana and Nigerian creators. Individually, both of them will benefit from it. The two countries also can benefit from this. Another thing is that let's not forget that will also open another doors for we. React on Shatta Wale video Peller, a Nigerian in Nigeria who is a YouTuber might know about me. Might travel all the way to Ghana and would love to connect with me because in that video. In that video or got to know about my video because of this Peller, Shatta Wale, something. So I think it's high time Ghanaians we have to be smart and always look at the right side of things that are happening. Let's forget about the trendy, the negative stuff, all those noise making. Let's respect people for who they are and look into what they are doing and ask ourselves, what is it coming out of it? Let's always look for positive results. Now, I feel like sometimes we talk too much. You get it? A lot of people on the internet, not everybody, but some are very ignorant and they pass loose talk and say all sorts of things. But this is my reaction on Shatta Wale inviting Peller to Ghana. I might come your way and then talk more about it. To add more to it, cameras are following him. Shatta Wale. People get to know about Shatta Wale. They'll get to know about his work. They'll get to know more about what he does. People will know about his company, Shaxi, like a whole lot of things. Shatta Wale also has some real estate business. It can open up big opportunity for him because the guy is big. Born mission. But Grace has found him that he's getting like attention throughout the whole of Africa and international, like the whole world, Europe, everywhere. So people are tapping into it. And long and short term, I think Shatta Wale want to tap into what the guy has. If that guy is not that big, Shatta Wale will call him. No. Or you watching me, as Shatta Wale invited you. No. What are you doing that Shatta Wale would like to invite you? This is where the game is going. When you have the numbers, people invite you. People watching me, a time will come when my audience grow and I become big. You see that brands will come in to support. When I can buy me t-shirt, someone will give me a top to wear, dress me up to come and sit here and give the person shout out. Because by then, followers say that, like I have the influence. People are watching, and then they will start calling me Ghana influencer, if your video. Companies, maybe actually buy any free. People will start coming because there is a saying that being famous attracts what? A lot of people. Being famous attracts a lot of people. Shout out to all those who love me and knows me and support me. I respect you guys from the beginning. You people have been there and I have reached where I am now and keep on supporting me. I love you all. I love you guys for your support. Let me chomp. A lot of people don't really know me. Like, people don't even care who I am, But Amadadokwe, you see the number of people that will come to me. People will come and give me. Content. Oh, yes, sir. Be an old da. We are numbers. Can you be Olemita Makebonoko? Ecolemo Baba Mokubani Kake Bakimishia. Mokubani Kamako. One of your content to your back and be Mita Mawabu Ole Min Majibu Lekeshkani, Mukumba by Bake by camera hami, Mukubanya Bakrani Bakake, instead you Bukran Nake or push gun or Bomode gun space and Yole, Emolole no drive, ne fail or movement simple. So, get of fake popular. Alo abalibuwa bla make bauma say mo famous money e ba kebo look na me boni am. Do you get it? So That is what they say. Lofoke, famous attract a lot of people. So, Oba Sheko, and I hope I can nyako video ne kaba tanagbe. Mo fiamu no kemi ba tanagbe. Thank you for watching. This is my channel. My name is Niai, aka Ganubi. On this channel, what I do is promoting the Ghana tradition, the Ghana language, the food, our culture, and also trying to like advise, or let me say, how do I say this word? Trying to push people, not really push, but trying to convince people to learn the Ghana language, not only the Ghana language, but their local dialect, to learn their local dialect, speak your local dialect. And because I'm a Ghana, I'm pushing the Ghana language to everywhere. Well, thank you guys for watching, and let me know in the comment section what I've said so far. If you guys agree with me, add your thoughts in the comment section. I'll come your way another time. My name is Niai, aka Ganubi. Hola, Bawo. Peace out.